Deputy Laura, I have my Christmas songs on rotate. And you know what song? I love all Christmas songs though, right? I did. Well, no, they're not sad. I mean, some of them are. But do you know they used to always do this commercial where they would do a Soul Christmas? Have you ever heard of Soul Christmas? All right. So Christmas doesn't start until you hear the Temptations Silent Night. That's when you know it's Christmas. And then the OJ's Christmas Just Ain't Christmas Without the One You Loves. That is so. Have you heard that one? Oh my gosh. The Emotions, What Do the Lonely Do at Christmas? Well, what about the one? I can't remember the name of it, but it's Santa came down the chimney, 3:30, left all the goodies for my baby and for me. Merry Christmas. Showed it, treat me right. There's some great ones. And then Santa Baby by Eartha Kitt. Court is calling 2025 CR 008298, State versus Jonathan Godina. And are you Mr. Godina?
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I pronouncing that correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are not, Your Honor. We are proceeding on the lesser included misdemeanor offense of indecent assault.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of indecent assault as a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
So the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right. And I wanted to let you know the reason why, after reviewing the stipulations, I was inclined not to accept this agreement. All right. The court will sentence you to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, and there's to be no contact with the complainant.
Judge, we'd ask that money and time to run, correct?
I will not do that in this case. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I look at the stipulations, I go by what the stipulations, right, are presented to me. So in this case, what's in the stipulations are what you stipulated to. You're saying that those are true.
Judge, we pled no contest.
But you pled no contest, but you all didn't.
We pled no contest to the charge of indecent assault, Judge.
No, I'm saying you pled no contest, but it says here that the defendant and they both style and number calls who being by me duly sworn acknowledged that he read or had read to him the foregoing waiver, consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. So if your intent was to do a no contest plea throughout, then you should put the no contest part there as well. So would you like to do that?
Yes.
So in the stipulations, do you have any daughters?
No, ma'am.
All right. So do you have any sisters?
Yes, Your Honor.
And obviously you have a mom.
Yes, Your Honor.
How would you feel if this were to happen to one of them? Mm-hmm. So it's at the top where you say, you see where you wrote, do not contest.
The documents are not contested.
And then right at the top, it says contest. Let me point it out to you. And just put there, not contested. All right. Is there anything else? If not, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Hello.
Hello, hi, ma'am. Good morning. Good to see you again.
You too.
Thank you.
Right. Miss Sauceda, we're going to go on the record. All right.
Okay.
Court is calling 2022 CR 9121A, State versus Justina Sauceda. Are you Miss Sauceda?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just going to ask a few questions of you. It has absolutely nothing to do with the facts of your case, all right?
Okay.
Could you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. So someone is here from Managed Assigned Counsel. Your attorney has been asked to appear, and I understand that there are some issues with his appearance. He's been suspended.
Right.
So that means that he cannot practice law. However, even though he cannot practice law, the cases where he's retained on, even the cases that he's appointed on, he really should inform the court so that if you want another attorney, you can have another attorney so that you can be updated on your case. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So he's suspended. So what that means is At this point in time, he's not allowed to practice law.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I can do one or two things.
Okay.
One, I can ask that an attorney be appointed to represent you, or if you would like, you could retain another attorney. Do you understand?
Okay, yeah.
So do you want to retain another attorney? Do you want an attorney appointed to you? What would you like to do?
Well, I spoke to my mom yesterday when I got back to my unit,
Mhm.
and I think we're trying to see if there was any way I could get a court-appointed attorney.
All right. So what we're going to do is manage the sign council is going to make sure that you have a court-appointed attorney.
Okay.
We'll make sure that you have someone to talk to today. All right?
Okay, thank you so much. So, I'm sorry. Is it okay I speak?
Yes.
Okay, so when I got back to my unit and spoke to my mom, she talked to a clerk and kind of like sort of what you were telling me. She found out that my attorney is not going to work for the law firm anymore, and that he dropped my case. So that's why we were wanting a court-appointed attorney.
All right. I'm going to make that happen. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, I really, really appreciate you.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I do believe she has to be interviewed by a pretrial
No, I'm
to
just,
determine,
all right. Thank you.
and just to appoint Robert Porter.
Yes.
Do you want me to contact him?
All right. Thank you. All right. Could we start putting numbers out? And if you could hold Miss Sauceda. Miss Sauceda, you're going to be held so that you can meet your new attorney today. He'll be, yes.
So much. You know how much it means to me. Like you were saying, I've been incarcerated 3 years, and I've been, dealing with my attorney not showing up to my court dates, and it's just been really hard. Like my mental illness is really bad right now, and so it's.
And what I can tell you, the part of the reason why it's taken so long for your case to go forward, once you declared incompetent, we can't do anything until the doctors say you're competent.
Yes.
So this is what I want you to do for me. Just be patient. If you'll wait in the back, your attorney will be here in an hour. All right?
Thank you so much.
All right. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. The court is calling 2024 CR 6410, State versus David Guerra. And are you Mr. Guerra?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is proceeding as a terroristic threat as a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Then to the lesser included, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? So the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client? All right, the fine will be probated. Court is going to sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail, probated and suspended for 2 years. There's a regular reporting by Zoom or in person, $1,000 fine that will be probated. Regular random UAs, proof of employment or SSI within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, no unsupervised contact with minors, field visits 1 time per month till further notice, no contact with Todd Hill and the terraces at Haven for Hope located at 703 North San Marcos, San Antonio, Texas, 78207. 150 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the hostility management course. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. A MIC evaluation, out of custody. All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 0787 State versus Nashia Harrison. Are you Miss Harrison?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
State moves to waive the punishment in haste.
The state is proceeding on the offense of possession of a controlled substance. Penalty group 1. 4 to 200 grams. Let's go off the record for a moment. All right, counsel, this is possession. All right. So did you understand that the state is proceeding on a possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Then to the offense, as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
So court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Counsel, if you want, this can be recalled back in 12 weeks for sentencing if you're requesting a PSI and a top evaluation, or if you want it done sooner, we can have it back in approximately 2 weeks. and you can call whatever witnesses you wish to call. Which do you prefer?
I would like the TAP evaluation, Your Honor, please.
All right, I need a date for PSI and TAP, please. All right, we'll bring you back on February 3rd. On February 3rd, I'll make a decision based upon whatever evidence is presented to me.
Okay,
All right, good luck to you.
thank you.
You're welcome. All right, State on Celeste Juarez, are you going to have any objections to the request to travel?
Is it him then?
Yes.
I apologize. I have not taken a look at that, yes.
All right. Could you confirm with her very quickly, and then we'll take this up? And what I can tell parties is there's been a previous agreed to travel and just have her UA within 24 hours. Okay. Don't happen after people say that. So are you all ready on Suarez?
No, Your Honor, I'm pulling it up right
Okay,
now.
sure. All right. Are you all ready on Celeste Juarez?
Your Honor, I apologize. I was trying to get a look at it because it wasn't coded family violence. It's actually a PIP case.
Okay.
So I was just going to reach out to them.
All right. All right. Thank you. Yes. All right. So, okay. Excuse me, Miss Juarez, are you driving?
No, ma'am, I'm just sitting on the couch.
No. I like that. No, with regard to your
to the travel,
to
yes,
travel.
we'll be driving. I'm sorry.
All right, I don't know if you're really sitting on the couch or not. It's blurred background.
Yeah.
But okay. All right, so you'll be driving, you say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I hope you have Thanksgiving, by the way.
Oh, thank you. I did. It's always nice when you can spend time with family.
Yes, for sure.
Just give us one moment, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So, Miss Juarez,
Yes, ma'am.
the state is in agreement to allowing you to travel, but the court's previous conditions of your probation
Yes,
are
ma'am.
still in effect. So what that means is there's still to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and there's to be no contact with the Suarez or
Okay.
the Suarez family. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm assuming the Suarez family are not going to be a part of the Christmas celebrations.
No, it's nowhere near related to those people at all. I'm actually going to see my brother-in-law because he's being deployed. So I want to see him before he gets
Okay.
to leave.
All right. Well, what I can tell you is the court is going to grant that, and you'll have to do a UA upon return.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you.
Do you have any other questions about anything?
No, I've paid off everything. I've done all of my classes. I literally just have to finish probation.
Okay. All right. And then you'll be doing a UA upon return. And remember, if there are any issues, let your probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come to the court.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I hope
All
you have a great Christmas if I don't see you.
Thank you. You too. And a happy new year.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And remember, the goal of the new year is to make it to the new year. Even though
Yeah.
people are outside in the winter, celebrating at midnight, be in the
Okay.
house by 10.
I work in a hospital, so I will be working.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. Did you get this?
Oh, yeah, Judge, I meant to give it to her.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Judge.
Do you know the first New Year's I had, because people would always talk about New York, you got to see the ball drop.
Yeah.
So when I was finally old enough to actually remain awake for the ball drop, I didn't know what I was thinking was going to happen. But when the ball dropped, I'm like, is this it?
That's it.
I thought it was going to be, I thought it was going to fall and,
Big
on the next something.
Confetti everywhere.
It's like, this is what people stood outside in the cold weather for, but okay.
I'll trust you that that's what happened. Right.
Oh, no, I just watched it on television. All
All
right. You guys have a good one.
Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Oh, of course.
Snowflakes fall like kitten fur, soft and light they start to purr. Paw prints dancing on the ice, a winter world